The World Health Organization, WHO, and the National Cancer Institute, NCI, have conducted extensive research on the potential risks of mobile phone use, particularly for children. While some studies have suggested a possible link between childhood leukemia and exposure to radiofrequency electromagnetic fields, RF/EMF, from cell phones, the evidence remains inconclusive. Both organizations acknowledge that children may be more vulnerable to potential health risks from cell phones due to their developing nervous systems and thinner skulls. However, they also emphasize that no definitive conclusions can be drawn from the available research. The WHO's International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, has classified RF/EMF as possibly carcinogenic to humans based on limited evidence of a possible association between cell phone use and certain types of brain tumors. However, this classification indicates that more research is needed to establish a causal link. The NCI's research has primarily focused on the potential link between cell phone use and brain tumors in adults, with limited data available on children. Their studies have not found a clear association between cell phone use and an increased risk of brain tumors. Both organizations recommend taking precautions to reduce potential exposure to RF/EMF, such as limiting cell phone use, using hands-free devices, and keeping the phone away from the head and body. These recommendations apply to both adults and children. It's important to note that the research on the potential health risks of cell phone use is ongoing, and new studies are constantly being conducted. As more data becomes available, our understanding of the potential risks will continue to evolve.